In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape with color in Canva. Let's get started right inside the Canva editor. First, open the design you want to work on. This could be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, or a poster. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options. From there, click on Elements. When you select Elements, a panel will open on the left side, showing you a variety of graphics and tools you can add to your design. Within this Elements panel, scroll until you find the section labeled Shapes. It might be visible right away, or you may need to scroll a little. Click on Shapes, and the panel will now display different shape options you can choose from, like circles, squares, rectangles, and more decorative options. Take a moment to browse through and choose the shape that best fits your design. Once you've decided on a shape, simply click on it. Canva will automatically add that shape onto your design canvas in the middle of the screen. You can click and drag it to move it around, and use the corner handles to resize it if you need to. After placing the shape roughly where you want it, make sure it is selected. When the shape is selected, a toolbar will appear at the top of the editor. On this top toolbar, look for the color tile or color swatch. It usually appears as a small square of color. Click on that color tile, and a panel will open on the left, showing all the color options available for your shape. Here, you'll see both solid colors and gradient options. Gradients can give your design a more dynamic, modern look, while solid colors are great for clean, simple elements. If you want to see more choices, click on See All under either the solid or gradient section to explore the default color sets Canva provides. If none of the default colors are exactly what you want, you can create your own custom color. At the top of the color panel, you'll see a multicolored swatch. Click that, and a color picker will appear. You can drag the slider and move your cursor around the color field to find the exact shade you're after. Once you're happy with the color, just click away from the panel, and your shape will now be filled with your chosen color, ready to use in your design.